Hello, Flor de Sal means flower of the salt. Our type of sea salt is known as the cream of the salt and harvested by hand. Our products are packaged in 1 pound seal label packaging. Flor de Sal sea salt has many health benefits for you and your family.
My daily muscle cramps and joint pain have gone down since using Flor de Sal sea salt.
Our sea salt is FDA and kosher approved. It also brings out the flavor of your favorite food. We produce high-quality gourmet sea salt from the Pacific Ocean. Our sea salt is organic and hand-harvested directly from the Pacific Ocean.
I have high blood pressure and Flor de Sal sea salt allows me to have salt on my food again.
Eat healthy now with our organic sea salt and get a 30% discount at the Amazon store by going to the link below.